So one improvement that me and Luis have been wanting to make is cleaning out this little area right here. You can see that we have a ton of parts, a ton of random boxes, paper everywhere, more parts. We have this unit that we don't really use, and just boxes that we keep for the booklet maker. So we're thinking just repurposing this little corner just as a space for like parts, toner, bunch of little things like that. One issue that we have is that with our toner, it gets stacked really high, and I can only reach about this high. So it makes it kind of a danger and a little bit of a safety hazard, since we always have to climb up onto the little rack and then grab the toner all the way from up there. Part of this project too, we kind of want to consolidate all the staples, the black and white toner, cleaners, 71 toner, and then just all this booklet paper here. One issue that we have with it as well is that since it's facing directly towards the window, it starts to yellow, and you kind of see the difference between this brand new paper and this old one right here. So yeah, we're gonna try to work on that, maybe put in a new rack, and then we'll see. Alright, so we gathered up all the toners. Top shelf's pretty much empty now. They're on those carts, and I think we're gonna move this toner for the 9100 closer to the actual 9100, which is in the other room over there. And then we're gonna find a new place for the 7100 toner. We also have this black and white toner. We only carry 2 of them, but should probably stock up on more as well. So we pretty much brought all the toner here. We had almost 5 of each one. So now that we're closer to the 9100, it's gonna be right here. Whenever we run out of toner, we'll just grab it from the shelf and then stick it right into the printer. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we brought a new rack right here, and we're gonna use this pretty much for all the things we were talking about earlier. We're gonna try to clean this up. Mainly use these boxes for the booklet maker. Pretty much match perfectly down here. But we'll probably move them down here so we can have a space for them. And we're just gonna clean this out. Alright, so we pretty much organized everything. We have the black, yellow, magenta, and the cyan, so CMYK. Yeah, this just make it a little bit easier to grab all our toner. We're not reaching and tiptoeing, endangering ourselves. So yeah. Right, so this is pretty much the end result now. We actually ended up moving the black toner a little bit more down. We have all the other toners right here. And this makes it a lot easier to know how to reorder them. We know we have only 3 of the magenta, so we probably need to get more of those. We moved the staples up here, so now we know, and we're gonna eventually label them as well. That way we know what's what. We also ended up moving a lot of the waste toner up here. This is the waste toner for the black and white, so that's right next to the black and white machine right there. Black and white toner, we'll probably move that a little bit over, label it as well. Waste toner for the 71. And then same thing, we know we only have 1, so we'll probably order 1 or 2 more. But yeah, this is the end result now. It's a lot more organized, and it's gonna eliminate a lot of movement and a lot of motion, just walking back and forth to get supplies and everything. But yeah, we still need to upgrade this paper, so we'll do that eventually. But yeah, that's our improvement.